The decision to use donated eggs is a difficult one, which is not arrived at without much soul searching. For women who have had 2 or more failed IVF cycles, for women with a high FSH and a low baseline follicle count, and for perimenopausal women, those who are missing periods, or who are experiencing shorter than usual intermenstrual intervals, donor IVF is an option to explore. At North Hudson IVF, we match patients to prospective donors using cultural background, physical characteristics, and blood type as criteria. Egg donation is anonymous and confidential, and our patients find that once pregnant, they do not feel different or disconnected because the pregnancy was achieved with a donated egg. Our donor program is so successful that recipients come to us for treatment from all parts of the world. Occasionally, a couple wishes to use a designated donor, and that's someone known to them. And although this option is not as popular as the anonymous egg donor, we will use known donors so long as they pass the same rigorous screening tests as the anonymous ones. Once a donor is selected, she goes into our donor pool, and then when recipients are looking for donors, we present the donor profile to the recipients, and we make the matches at that point.